Good morning, dear children, and I wish you a happy Republic Day to all of you. Today we celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. In 1950, January 26th, a Constitution of India came into effect after India gained independence after a very long freedom struggle. A salute to the unfurling of the Indian national flag, then by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, heralded the history birth of the Indian Republic on that day. Thereafter, 26th of January was decreed a national holiday and was recognized as the Republic Day of India. A Constitution of India came into existence on 26 January 1950. It was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by the elected members of the provincial assemblies, and the important leaders who helped to constitute the Constitution of India are the main person we need to remember today is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Jawaharlal Nehru, Sanjay Phakle, C. Rajagopalachari, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad were some important figures in the assembly. Constitution in its current form has a preamble and 25 parts containing 463 articles, 12 schedules, 2 appendix and 97 amendments. The important features of Constitution, we can say that it is the longest written Constitution and it is the best Constitution and a written and rigid Constitution based on adult suffrage, and it makes India a sovereign democratic republic. It gives India a federal policy. It establishes parliamentary form of government in India, and it gives fundamental rights to its citizens and fundamental duties to its citizens as directive principles of state policy, and the important factor that is a secular democracy. That's what we are able to enjoy, staying and being together, the different religions, caste, culture, customs, and our celebrations. So we need to congratulate each other and our leaders who really worked for it. And today, my dear students, we pray for our Mother India that this constitution will be kept up always, and this secularism will be kept up always, and justice, freedom, fraternity and brotherhood will be kept up always by all the leaders. We also pray today in a special way for our president, for our prime minister, chief minister and all the ministers of our country. May they rule India with justice, freedom, love, fraternity, equality and peace. Jai Hind.